Cheers. It's the guy again. You are lame.
Guten Tag, hallo, willkommen.
Toll.
New York Times, baby.
Dog by Smo under dose.
We are in newspapers, baby.
Just look at this. It's time to go.
Hello guys, my name is Doak. We are at the airport in Münster. This is Smo and I need to say goodbye to him. Bye. As you have already understood, probably, I'm leaving Germany. There are 2 flights in front of me. It's quite a lot of time and I was just thinking, how can I use this time? And then I remembered the video from Drove with Jezza. You probably know this guy. He recorded an airplane art challenge and that's sort of what I want to do today. I got my surface over here. Let's do it. The point of this challenge for me is to fight against my excuses and to record a super embarrassing video in front of all these people who are just sitting there and staring at me and they're just... Okay, you're right. There was nobody at the airport, so it couldn't really be embarrassing for me, but brace yourself for the airplane. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite excuse for not doing things that you should do. As we are still waiting for an airplane and I really like this voiceover thing, I will sing for you. I believe I can fly. Sorry guys, sorry. As this is just the beginning, and there are 2 more flights in front of me, I want to have my surface charged. I decided to paint a dragon on this airplane because, you know, I'm just trying to get better in these things, and maybe it was not the best idea because later when I have seen that people have seen that my dragon and he's on an airplane and we are in an airplane and there is a fire. So far it was so comfortable to paint over here on the airport. But in the plane,
Looks almost like the paint that I'm painting on right now.
Hello. Let's see my workplace now.
Oh, look. Stupid YouTuber. He has a camera. What? He has to be from Slovakia.
So, this is it. This is the moment when I sentenced myself for the most embarrassing flight of my entire life. I immediately caught attention of the woman and her son who was sitting next to me. Although he tried to pretend for the whole length of flight that the Top Gear in his phone is more interesting, he was staring at me all the time. In the video it is super hard to describe that feeling when you know that people are staring at you. You would like to record them but you can't, and it's just so It's like when somebody's staring into your phone. And I think that some of the people saw my dragon as a sign that I want to burn this airplane, which was not true for sure. And right now it's gonna happen again. Hopefully this time I will have a better companions. Cheers. It's the guy again. You are lame.
Guten Tag, hallo, willkommen.
Don't get off my face, boy.
Industrische Freunde, zu glauben. Weiter mit unserem Schiff hat.
I'm curious, what would you say if you see an airplane looking like this? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, the design is getting there. I have to say that the second airplane was much better. I had a free seat next to me, nobody cared about me, and it was a pleasant drawing experience. Anyway, stay tuned for the final result of the dog plane. So I didn't finish my artwork as I wanted to because it was such a short flight. So right now I'm gonna show you how it looks right now at this moment, and then I will show you how it looks after my final touches. Thank you. So this is the artwork right now. Boring. It's Whoa. This is the artwork after my final touches. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video and also my beautiful voiceovers. See you next time.